Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'll show you the SnapStar dolls. Recently, the brand Yulu that makes these dolls reached out to me to send me a doll to review for you guys. When the package arrived, it was much bigger than I expected. I received this giant box that holds this really cute gift bag that says #SnapStar, and inside there's this really cool box that's wrapped with a big ribbon. When I opened the box, I found not one, but 3 dolls. I got the blonde one, the one with the pink hair, and my personal favorite, Dawn. In person, I actually already like them a lot more than on the promotional pictures I've seen of them. Behind the dolls was actually another layer that held 3 fashion packs. So what I got is this Aspen doll, the Lola doll, and the Dawn doll. Then I also got this denim fashion pack, this glitter fashion pack with these epic shoes, and this peach summer fashion pack. To unbox them, I'll start with Dawn because she was actually my favorite out of all the SnapStar dolls with her dark skin tone and curly hair. On the box, it mentions you can create your own look with the free SnapStar Studio app. Snap, style, and share! The doll is for 5 years and older because it does have some small accessories. On the side of the box, it has this beautiful artwork of the doll. And then on the back of the box, again, it mentions that you can create your own looks in the SnapStar Studio app, and it tells you some information about the doll's character. Dawn is a fashion diva who loves fashion. And the doll also comes with a green screen. Then on the bottom, it also shows the other dolls in the line, and I have Dawn, Aspen, and Lola. Then it's time to take her out of the box. The boxes feel really sturdy, but they're very easy to open. There's this extra plastic layer to keep her secured in the box. And here's the first proper look at the doll. I have to admit that I actually gasped at this moment, because I did not expect to like them this much in person. The doll is fully customizable with changeable hair, clothes, and the extra option to change her makeup and background in the app. And then when you take out the plastic case, behind that you will find the green doll stand and the green screen that I will show you later. It also shows you how the green screen and wigs work, and it mentions that the doll comes with a green screen, a doll stand, the doll itself, removable hair, and removable fashion. Then, to remove the actual doll from the box, she is really easy to pull out, since she's only secured around the neck. For this particular doll, her hair did get stuck a little in the box. Her phone and handbag are also easily removable. To start from the top, this doll comes with curly hair that I actually like a lot better than I expected, because on most promotional pictures I've seen of Dawn, she had straight roots and curly ends. But this wig is definitely curly from root to end, so I think it will look really cute if you separate the hair to give it more volume. Then for her face, she has these really defined black eyebrows, pink eyeshadow with black eyeliner, and these light brown glass eyes. She's wearing purple lipstick and red blush. She's also wearing black earrings and a black jacket that is over her black and white blouse with shorts that are sewn together in one piece. She's also wearing these really epic shoes that have some amazing lace detail. These SnapStar dolls can move at the head, the shoulders, the elbows and wrist, as well as the knee and the ankles. While redressing one of the dolls, I also noticed that this doll even has a chest joint. And this is what the doll looks like without the wig on. I do like that she has some waves sculpted in the head, and she has a hole in the middle of the head that corresponds with the little stick in the middle of the wig cap. The wigs do fit pretty well, but the sides of the head are really visible. With this curly wig, it's not a big deal, but it shows really well for Aspen, the way she is displayed in the box. I'm hoping that with the right amount of styling, it won't show as much though. As you can see, you can also slide the wig around to give the doll a side part, that I actually love on this wig. When you style it in a side part, you can really tell that this gives the wig an uneven look, but I think if you cut the longer side a little shorter, it would look really cool. Unfortunately, when I tried this, I was completely out of the picture cutting the wig, but I basically just trimmed the curls that were too long, one by one, to match the short side. And as you can see, this is the result. I do really love how this turned out, and I think it made the wig look a lot better. And now, I'm going to unbox the other dolls. Up next is Lola, who has this really colorful artwork, and on the back of the box it says she's a 99% unicorn, and once again it mentions the app option. And just like Dawn's box, it shows the rest of the girl and her code. This doll also was really easy to remove, and came with a phone and a really cute unicorn handbag. This wig was tied together with a plastic strip that is sewn to the hair to keep it neat. The wig looks really interesting with a purple parting, a pink front, and green hair in the back of the wig. I do like how it looks, but it would have been even better if they had used actual ombre hair like in the artwork. Lola is wearing this pink and green sweater with some denim shorts. While looking at how high these shorts came, I noticed that the dolls even have chest articulation. Then she also has these striped leg warmers and platform shoes. Also, changing the part on this wig to a side part completely transformed her look in my opinion. And then I also have this blonde Aspen doll, who has this really cute cowgirl look. The picture in the back honestly looks kinda scary, but I do think the actual doll looks a lot better than this. Out of the box, this wig is my least favorite out of all of them, because with this wig, the actual scalp shows the most. Also, the ends of the wig are really dry. Sliding it to a side part does make it look a lot better again, but I still might try to cut this hair into a bob to get rid of those dry ends. Overall though, I really like this doll a lot better than I expected, and I still have to look at the fashion packs too. I'm gonna start with this first fashion pack that has this orange dress, bag, these white earrings, and brown sandals. Everything came in this resealable bag, and is really easy to remove from the packaging. On the doll, I personally am not a big fan of the fit of this dress, but the rest of the outfit looks really cute. The second fashion pack I'm doing is this denim top, these denim ruffle jeans, and black shoes with a bag as well. For the look, I'm using Dawn shoes because they look pretty similar, just a lot more detailed. Which is also really nice is that the denim is pretty much the same color as Lola's denim shorts, which makes it really easy to mix and match. I'm not a big fan of the ruffles on the jeans, but other than that, I do think this look is really dope. Then the third fashion pack I got is this really sparkly dress with these extremely glittery pink shoes, with a pair of star-shaped glasses as well. I am really excited for this outfit, especially because I love these shoes. Overall, I'm a big fan of this look, so I'm really hoping I can fix the hair or make a wig myself, because this outfit really deserves it. To let the dolls stand on themselves, they do come with this bright green doll stand that has this bag that goes into the back of the dolls. The stand is also really poseable, which is really cool for pictures. Then the green screen they come with is really easy to set up as well. You just fold it open and fold it back into the shape of a photo studio, And that's it! Then I take my phone and download the SnapStar Studio app. In this app, there's a bunch of options, but I will start watching the tutorial on how to use the green screen, because that's what I'm most interested in.
This tutorial, we're gonna show you how to use the green screen.
This video gives you a bunch of great tricks on how to reduce shadows in your pictures to make the green screen work really well. In this app, you can also complete a lot of achievements that give you stars that you can use later to unlock makeup looks. Then I go to the photo studio and add one of the backgrounds. As you can see, most of my doll actually is invisible now. So on the right side of the screen, I slide the bar up and down to adjust the strength of the background to get the perfect coverage. Then when you take a picture, you can start changing the makeup through the app. You can also add hair and other accessories. And there's also an option to add borders. When you are taking pictures in the photo studio, you can select the girl that you are taking pictures of in the top left corner, which gives you the corresponding makeup and wig options when editing the picture. To try out the wig and makeup feature in the app even better, I took off the doll's actual wig to give her a really clean base. As you can see, Dawn has this really cute afro option. Her second option is this long, curled hairstyle. And then she also has this really cute short pixie cut. Then you can also change the eyeshadow, lips, blush, and eyelashes to complete the look. I'm not sure how I feel about the lips though, because they are not the same shape as her original lips. But the eyeshadow looks are really fun to play with. Then if you select a different character, you'll have different options for the hair. Knowing that, you really do have a lot of different styling options to get creative using the SnapStar app. I really hope y'all liked this review. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below which SnapStar doll is your favorite, and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell to never miss another video, and follow me on Instagram for more pictures, @thedollboy. See you next time!